Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing for March and it is Asos. That's what the box looks like. If you're new to Asos beauty boxes and you want to learn a little bit more, then carry on watching. But as always, if you want to skip forward, you will find a timestamp down below in the comments. This box is still available and you'll find links down in my description, as well as any offers or deals they've currently got on their website. You'll find all that down below. Asos have been bringing out these beauty boxes for the last couple of years. They're not a subscription and you get to see the content online so you can decide if you want it or not. This box costs £12. I take out a yearly free next day delivery with Asos and it costs me, I think it's £9.95. Super handy. I'm shopping all the time on Asos, so it's super handy, especially birthdays and things like that. You know, I'm guaranteed the next day delivery. But if you don't have that, then shipping I believe is around £3, unless you spend over say £20–30 where it might be reduced or free. Sometimes they release a special edition box and they usually cost around £18–20 and they contain a couple of more items. In the past we've had brand takeover boxes with Away, the hair care brand, which is gorgeous, Bobbi Brown, Clinique, I think there was an Elemis one, I think so. I can't remember now. So it's definitely worth checking them out. But the downside of these beauty boxes is that they tend to go super fast. So as soon as they're released, which is around the first week of every month, there's no particular date and time that they release them, and it's usually on a Friday around 5:30. As soon as I hear when a box is going to be launched, I post it up everywhere. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, on here on my little community tab where I post up deals and offers and things. So as soon as I spot it, I'll let you all know and I'll let you know when it's going to be released, and then when it is released I will post it up everywhere as well. So if you don't want to miss out on any of these boxes, then make sure to click the notification bells on all my social channels or on here so that you never miss out. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If there's anything else you want to know, then please ask away. But let's go on to showing you what's inside. So we get a card and it details everything about the products, and I'll just give you a sneak peek first. I love the colour coordination in this box. The theme for this box is sleepover essentials. Sure, we love going out and seeing our pals, but we love a night in just as much. And with this Asos face and body box, you can turn any evening into a super luxe spa retreat. Prepare to be thoroughly spoiled by top treats from Away, Neom and Easy Locks. First off, light a candle, run a bath and add a couple of capfuls of the acai berry bath foam from Sunday Rain. It smells heavenly and creates loads of cute bubbles. And there's 450 mils here. It's a nice big bottle there. Although I don't have a bath anymore. Oh, that smells beautiful. That smells really lovely. I put it in a foot bath instead. Oh, I wonder if they do it in like a shower gel, acai berry extract. Oh, it is really nice. So yeah, we're redoing our bathroom and we're having a massive walk-in shower instead of a shower and a bath. Unfortunately, for now anyway. Don't fancy getting your hair wet? Grab one of these Easy Lock scrunchies to help that blow dry last. Now when I first saw these, I was thinking, yeah, I'm not really into like cowl print hair accessories. But they're microfiber scrunchies. So these would be perfect if I have wet hair, for instance, and I want to let it dry naturally. If it's in my way, then I usually grab a scrunchie and just tie it back. But these would be fab because they will help dry your hair. That's what I'm thinking. What's it say here? It just says microfiber polka dot scrunchies. Yeah, dream hair made easy by Easy Locks. So I just thought, yeah, that would be nice to put in your hair when it's wet. But is there really a difference between using these and other scrunchies when your hair is wet? Probably not. But anyway, we got two hair scrunchies there. Love hair scrunchies. Next, lather on Neom Super Shower Power Cleanser for another hit of delicious smell and softer skin. The spearmint, rosemary and eucalyptus essential oils will help clear your head after a long week. Now I've just received this. I chose this in a Feel Unique beauty box. That is a subscription. I love the Neom brand. I'm obsessed with the Neom brand. I've got lots of candles. I've got a diffuser behind me, got some oils, got magnesium creams. Oh, I love it. Yeah, and this smells gorgeous. It smells really lovely. Spearmint, rosemary and eucalyptus. Yeah, I do really like that. So I've got another one now. Next up, we've got a product for the hair. Once you're out of the bath, take the Away leave-in conditioner and apply it to the ends of your hair to help boost hydration. And we got 25 mils there. This is a really lovely brand. They've got a gorgeous body cream as well. They don't just do hair products, they do body care, and oh, it smells divine. It is really gorgeous. I think I've already got one of these. Yeah, a little spray one. I don't think I've used it though. So yeah, so a leave-in conditioner. And for one last luxe touch, pop the Peachy Skin Mani Pedi cream onto your feet and hands. It's packed with vitamin E and feels buttery and smooth. It'll be a night to remember, seriously. We've got 30 mils here. And I've tried this before and it is lovely. It is really nice. I tend to put foot creams on my feet before I go to bed, and then I put socks on and I leave it all night because my feet are that bad. I walk everywhere barefoot. I'm obsessed with beauty, but feet, no. And that is one of the reasons I gave up on beauty therapy. I trained as a hairdresser and I did beauty therapy as well. And no, I gave up because I can't stand feet. It smells gorgeous. Yeah, it is nice. Those are all the items in this month's ASOS Beauty Box. I'll just gather them all up. The cost of the box is £12. We've got 2 scrunchies, we've got a bubble bath, we've got a foot cream, a body cleanser, and lastly a leave-in conditioner. I really do like this month's theme. They all go together nicely, something for every part of your body. Yeah, I do really like it. I'm gutted I haven't got a bath, but I will use it for foot baths. When I first saw this box, I wasn't sure. I was thinking, okay, not too sure. I am going to get it because obviously I want to share it with you. Now that I've unboxed it, having a look at the products, I do think it's a nice box. I do really like it. It's a nice little pamper box, isn't it? But I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this month's box? Did you get it for yourself? Or did you think, nah, you know what, I'm going to leave it this month. It's not for me. I'd love to hear. So please comment down below. And I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.